Session number 32, Lab Self-Path Learning Academics Calendar with Photos. Proceed. Start. The first question is, we have to insert a text box, enter the text in the Excel sheet. The answer is false. The second question, to change the font size of the text, we can click on the tab and group. Home tab, font group. The third question, charging the text alignment feature is available on tab. Changing text alignment is home tab. The fourth question, can you change the font color of your text? It is true. The next fifth question, choose the correct step to add the image logo in your document. It is the insert picture. Knowledge check. Start exam. The first question is a schedule of all the events that occur in an academic year. It is an academic calendar. The second question, which of the following icons represent an application that you can use to create an academic calendar in? The question is Excel, Microsoft Excel. You want to align a particular set of text in Microsoft Excel. Under which tab of menu bar will you find the alignment option? It is the home tab. The fourth question, you can create an academic calendar using Office 2019. The fifth question, in the menu bar, go to the tab, then fill color option to change the color of a cell in Microsoft Excel. This is the home tab. Do it yourself. Next, the first question, in the display sheet, copy the row number 4 and paste into the row number 20 using copy paste. Select the row number 4 and copy and paste into the row number 20 paste, and then submit. The second question, in the given workbook, select the cell B2 F2, merge the cell using alignment group B and return. Select the cell B2 up to F2, the alignment group, and merge the cell. Okay, then submit. The third question, in the display sheet, insert a rectangle shape into E2 cell. Rectangle shape in E2 cell. Insert the shapes, then rectangle, then draw the rectangle. Submit. The fourth question, in the given worksheet, select the green color rectangle shape. Change the shape fill color to orange, lighter 40%. Shapes select the green color rectangle and format tab, format style group, shape fill. Select the green color rectangle, format tab, shape fill, and orange to lighter 40%. Orange to lighter 40%. Submit. fifth question in the display sheet. In the display sheet, select C2 September, make it middle align. C2 September, middle align, then submit. And exam confirm. Okay. The next is simulation question. Start exam. Next, in Microsoft Excel, search for an academic calendar with photos. Template in search bar area to create it. Click on academic calendar with photos. Click and then create. The second question, text must be readable, so the viewer spreadsheet font size of the selected text to 14. Font size 14. Yes. And exam confirm. Okay. Session completion test. Start exam. Next, this reading device is used in bank to read the numbers on the bottom of checks and deposit slip. The first question, MICR code. The second question, OMR, OCR, MICR are all types of character and mark recognition devices. The third question, a magnetic card reader does not require the card to actually make contact with readers. That's the false. The fourth question, OMR, OCR, MICR, all types of radio frequency readers. That is the false. And exam complete. Okay. The session is completed.